Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share stylish and functional kids cupboard designs, a perfect storage solution for children's room. Are you looking for the perfect storage solution to keep your child's room organized and clutter-free? Look no further. In today's video, we are going to explore a fantastic world of stylish and functional kids cupboard design that are sure to inspire you. From playful and colorful to elegant and timeless, we will showcase a variety of cupboard design that cater to different tastes and needs. So whether you are a parent decorating a nursery, toddler's room or a teen bedroom, you will find inspiration for kids cupboard designs that are both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Watch this video to transform your child's room into a well-organized and stylish room. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit notification bell for more home design inspiration. I hope you like this collection. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.